guys, welcome back to our Texas homestead. Today I'm going to be making some baked beans, so I thought I'd bring you along to show you how we make them. Well, this is our first time making these actually. The last ones we made were a little too sweet, so we're going to try a different recipe. So let me bring it down. Last night I had the navy beans soak in a bowl of water, and then this morning I put them in the crock pot for 2 hours on high. So we'll get back over to those. They're almost done with the 2 hours. So we're going to start getting the sauce ready. So we're going to start with a cup of ketchup. A half a cup of brown sugar, a half a teaspoon of white pepper, two tablespoons of Worcester sauce, and 6 tablespoons of molasses. And then you're just letting this heat up. You let it come to a boil and then it's ready. Just kind of wanting the sugar to dissolve a little bit. So while that's going, I'll bring you over here and we'll start working on the beans. Okay, so I got them in the Instapot, but I was just using the CrockPot feature. We're going to drain these, but drain them into a bowl so you can keep the liquid. And the sauce was already starting to boil, so I turned that off. So the beans are like halfway cooked. They're still firm, but a little softer. So you put half of them back in there. And I got 4 pounds of navy beans. And then you're going to layer bacon on top of it. And you're going to use about a pound of bacon between both layers. So let me bring you over here so you can see. There, so we got the beans, the bacon on top, and then we have 1 large onion chopped up. Just gonna sprinkle that on top. And then we're gonna put half of the sauce on top. And then you just put the other half of everything on top. Actually, I forgot. That's only 2 pounds of beans. I only had 2 pounds that were not cooked. So I gotta get 2 pounds I had already canned. So we'll just put that on top of there. So if you just have already canned up or already cooked beans, you could start from this step and not worry about cooking the beans or soaking them overnight. So, then we'll put bacon. And the other half of the onion. And then the other half of the sauce. And then you're just going to let it slow cook again, but on high for another 3 hours. And every 30 minutes you stir it. So I'll bring you back. You see my dirty kitchen over there. I'll bring you back in 3 hours and we'll try them out and see how they taste. I forgot. You got to take the bean water that you saved and you fill it up until just the beans are covered. Let's see. There. So that'd be about right. Just like that. Okay, so our beans are done. I'm gonna dish up a little bowl over here. I did end up going back in there and cutting up the bacon. I don't know why the recipe I looked at didn't say to cut it up, but nobody wants big old strings of bacon in their beans. And they did take a lot longer to cook than what I originally thought, so it was going to be like 5 hours. It's been like 7 hours. So but it's not too sweet, super hot, but the beans are all nice and tender. So give it a try, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time. Bye.